everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Cash App pending payment. For that, what you can do is simply open up Cash App on your device, head over to your pending payment, and if it is pending on your side, simply tap on the pending button and hit the accept button, after which you'll be able to see a completed icon over here. However, if you're trying to send the money to someone else and you're still not being able to send it, what you can do is tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit cancel payment, after which the payment will be cancelled if it is not accepted. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to the App Store and search for Cash App. Once you're there, simply hit update to update it to the latest version and try it. You might also need to verify your identity. For that, simply head over to your profile tab, head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, what you can do is head over to your profile and then verify identity with the government ID. Sometimes the servers are busy and most spending may automatically complete or fail within 24 to 48 hours, so you may have to wait it out as well. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down